So we're heading to the end of the driveway because we should have a special delivery, hopefully waiting for us soon.
So excited. Hey team.
Morning.
So it's day 7 now on the trail. We've woke up in Richmond.
Feeling good.
Yeah, we had a good sleep last night. It was hot in here, weren't it? But we good. We went to Wetherspoons last night. I had a jacket tater, you had
some
wrap chips.
Oh yeah,
and chicken wings. So yeah, feeling good. Feeling kind of fresh, aren't we?
Kinda, yeah. Done
Kinda,
any
not
repair
100%.
Repair that we need on any gear or feet and stuff, haven't we?
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
So first stop today is Wetherspoons again. So it's literally 2 minutes from the back of this pub. We're going to go there, fill up some more food,
hydrate,
and then we're going to nip to the co-op, pick up some more supplies.
Yeah, we need some chocolate, don't we?
We do. We're out of chocolate. I think that's all we're getting though, because we've got a couple of meals left. No real plan though where we're heading today, because we're not entirely sure. It doesn't look like there's a lot, does there,
no, so
on the route? So
what we can get done is just...
Exactly.
Yeah.
We're not having an early start, so checking out 11 o'clock now. Probably not be leaving Richmond till more like 1ish. So if we can get 10 miles done today, we'll probably be happy.
That'd be nice.
And a campsite.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Hey YouTube, so this is the Spoons breakfast.
This is what we've gone for.
All £13.
Yeah, wild.
Wild. Refillables.
Dream breakfast.
Just got our bits from Co-op, which is basically just chocolate.
3 packs full.
Yeah.
Probably last us a couple of days.
Yeah, they will. And now we're gonna go pick up the trail again. And yeah.
We're from Richmond, it takes you straight to the river, I think.
We've made a basic plan, haven't we?
We have. We've got about 13.5 miles to do, and we get to a campsite at Danby Wiske. So yeah. Let's
get it done. So I'll just quickly show you. This is the castle here. We're now on Castle Walk, walking alongside it to pick up coast to coast path, aren't we?
Fingers crossed, Ed.
So we're just crossing the bridge. Just show you back now, looking at the castle, over the river. Super cool. Making our way out of Richmond, and we are on this quite a busy road for a little bit. Hopefully we'll be coming off shortly. I think we're turning left, Char said. So we're just walking past Richmond's waste water treatment centre.
We spent most of it like this.
Yeah, just covering our nostrils, but it looks like it's coming out clean now. Just saying, it's quite interesting, isn't it?
I'm not thirsty yet.
You know. So we're just on this woodland path now next to the river. Plenty of bluebells out. Just super nice. Spring, isn't it, Char?
It's spring. Feels like summer.
I was going to say, even though it's felt like summer, but spring. So we're saying bye-bye to Richmond.
See you, Richmond.
Bye, Richmond, and we're back onto fields and farmland and all that really, really fun stuff that gets really, really fun to walk across for miles and miles.
You're getting more Derbyshire, I reckon.
Why?
We're just walking to field.
Yeah?
I love it.
It is.
To Catterick Bridge now, which is the...
Oh, I didn't know that's what it's called.
Oh yeah, it's the A1M, so just below Scotch Corner, and we're crossing it over, so Catterick Racecourse, Catterick Barracks. 5 mile in? Yeah,
just over 5 mile in, and it's quite steady so far into this. We're just going over this kind of footpath, so it's quite flat, which is nice. We've got a good, decent pace going on right now.
Definitely.
But yeah.
Thought I'd just update you at the main point for today, I think.
Show you over the bridge. So it looks like we're actually going under. I just assumed because it was a bridge in the name that we'd be going over a bridge. We're going under.
Okay.
Just seeing this as we've been walking over the bridge, just such a shame. Left like that. We're going to go over, are we joining that again maybe? Oh. Okay. So we're now just following the river that you can just see just about there. On this type of footpath, which is quite nice walking into Shore.
This is a couple of lakes dotted around, and this is Brompton on Swale Nature Reserve, I think. Yeah, I mean it's quite nice. It's quite a chilled area. I think it's just like be quiet and stuff, respect nature and all that lot, but quite a nice place just to have a little walk around if you're around the area.
So we're just coming through this little village now. It's quite cute. Brompton on Swale. Just thought I'd show you.
It looks like we're going down there.
Yeah, we are. Plenty of signs on this bit of the trail actually.
Yeah.
Which is quite nice.
Shouldn't get lost.
Shouldn't get lost. So this is Bolton on Swale. Not whatever I said before, but nice little church there. Shores up ahead. We're coming, Shore. Oh. Eight miles in.
Snack time.
I've already got my wrapper off.
Yeah, how tiny are they?
Look at that. Look at that.
So small.
That is tiny. That's like one bite for me. But yeah, little sugar boost.
Pick me up.
Yeah. But 8 miles in, doing pretty good, I'd say.
I think so.
Yeah. So we've just gone over this little bridge here, and the gate's actually clocked. But this definitely is the footpath. So.
It looked like there was a sign on it that's been ripped down.
Yeah.
Looks like someone's taken the public footpath sign off as well, because it's on this side. So
Yeah.
it's been ripped off that side.
But you can see that the style's further up. So this definitely is, well, definitely is public access. So yeah. So we're out of that spot now, but it does look like there's a footpath when you get to this side, but it's not obvious when we came to it on there. No concessionary footpath, is there?
No, it's like the farmers moved it across the brook.
You can see on the...
It's fine, and we would do it if
Yeah.
it was obvious, but it wasn't obvious, is it?
So this is Ellerton Hill.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, look, number 3. Wonder what's next.
I'm going to say 1 next.
Oh.
No, riffraff.
2.
Well, I don't know.
So we're now walking into Hambleton.
Yeah, we're just coming to
Kipling as well.
And then, oh, Hambleton District Council.
Okay. Kipling then. But yeah, we're on quite a busy road at the moment. So we're going to get this done. I don't think we're on this stretch for too much longer. But yeah, it'd be nice to get off this. Hey guys, so we are now about, I can't check,
3-ish.
12 miles in.
Oh, yeah, 3-ish left.
And we've got about 3 miles left. So it brings us up to 15, so again, which is not what we expected, but yeah, 15. Oh, got a tractor behind, so he's thinking,
Get off.
yeah, what are these two doing? I've got work to do. Right, we'll come back. Hey, so yeah, we got about just over 3 miles left. We were looking at the campsite, what is it, about £16?
£16, and we were just saying that it's a lot of these places out in the sticks only offer accommodation and pictures for coast to coast walkers.
Which is quite a nice thing to do, because you can imagine you've been walking miles and miles and miles, and it's not to say other people aren't, but they're not doing the duration, are they?
Exactly. So it's like they won't book up and fill up with, say, just holidaymakers wanting to get away.
Yeah.
Which is quite nice because it leaves it open for the coast to coasters.
Yeah, definitely, because like you just want to, we've got in our head now that we can get to Danby Wiske and we can just pitch up, and most likely 100% we probably will be able to.
Yeah.
However, if that was being taken up by like everyone, there might not be that guarantee, and
it'd make it hard to just
where do you go from there?
Exactly.
Right. So we're just walking across this land now, and because it's worked by tractors and stuff, you can't see where the grass is growing, all these little dips and crevices and stuff, and this is ankle breaker territory. About to walk into Danby Wiske, which is really nice little play area. Got the church there, and this is where we're hoping to find our...
I'm hoping it might be that bungalow.
Okay, so yeah, next hopefully you'll see us walking in and finding our little spot to pitch up. So I'll just show you this. This is the little tuck shop, and this is really well equipped actually. And this is
like from home, look, homemade bagel tart.
Oh, flapjack. This is the little coast to coast.
Oh, a little stand.
Danby Wiske. We can, but I wonder what the official passport. Right. Not being funny, Shah, but where's our passport?
We've definitely not got one. So.
We've also not seen any stamps along the way, so I'm not too sad about it.
No, we're not.
Ah, sweets.
Oh,
Maltesers, ice cream.
Hot noodle, Maltesers.
Amazing.
We're absolutely buzzing our tits off. Also, these prices cheap.
They're like just normal price. You can bank transfer, Cash in the jar, PayPal. This is good. This is well set up in here.
This is absolutely perfect.
I hope they're seeing all this on the Ring doorbell of us like. So we've got our little spot now, and it's the perfect little place, and
It's amazing.
Amazing, yeah, it's really nice.
We've got a kitchen.
Got a kitchen, we'll show you all that.
Tea and coffee,
But yeah.
tuck shop, Domino's deliver.
Domino's deliver here, so I think we're going that tonight, but
We've not spoken about it much.
we have. So we're heading to the end of the driveway because we should have a special delivery, hopefully waiting for us soon.
So excited.
Yeah.
Honestly, we're starving.
Starving.
We were just saying as well, when every time doesn't matter how many miles we've done, and whenever we get to the end of the day, we literally struggle to walk.
Ready to be done.
Yeah, and it's like we're not sure how we can get going again. But the next day we're like just smash out.
Just
for
go,
11 miles.
get going.
Like it's nothing.
Yeah.
But right now I don't feel like we can walk.
Absolutely.
That's our special delivery. Absolutely buzzing for this. What you got, Ad?
Huh?
What you got?
I got Domino's pizza.
How excited
This
are we?
coast to coast trail's easy, you get Domino's pizza.
Ad's already team, but look
I'm
at
ready.
this. Ad's has gone for meaty, barbecuey. It looks delicious, and I've gone for ham and pineapple. That's our sleeping setup. Stunning. We've got some chickens here, scratching away, ready to get our
Right,
lay our egg.
Can we eat now? It's going cold.
Right, team. We're going to sign off, and we'll see you in the morning.
Bye bye.